Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're making surf and turf with steak, seared scallops, and jumbo shrimp right from home. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, guys, I got my grass-fed loin steaks. First thing I want to do is I want to season them up really good. I want these to be very, very super tender. So I'm going to be using some meat tenderizer. Okay, I got a little paprika. So you might want to sprinkle this on here, however you want to do it. And you want to massage this into the meat also. Okay, I got an all seasoning blend mix here. I'm going to sprinkle this all over my steaks. I've got a different chunky blend. It's got all kind of stuff on here. It's like a steak seasoning. Okay, I got me out garlic. I want slices. So I think it's to be better to have slices. Okay, you remember that salt? This is a kosher salt. I like kosher salt, or you can get sea salt. I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt on here. These steaks, baby, are going in the refrigerator. They're going to set and they're going to marinate. Okay, here are my scallops. I put them in a strainer and I rinse them off in cold water. All right, now we got our big jumbo shrimp. Well, it's still got the peel on it, and I'm going to take the peel off. I'm going to keep the tail on. I got a tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to be adding some lemon pepper. This lemon pepper is so good. This is made by Mrs. Dash No Salt Lemon Pepper. It's got nice big flecks of different chunks of all kind of stuff in here. A teaspoon of that to that teaspoon of butter. And I want to work all of this inside here until I get like a creamy consistence. I'm going to be putting an all-purpose seasoning on there with no salt. So now we're going to season these babies up just a little bit. We're going to be using an all-purpose season that I love using, and that's that table blend by Mrs. Dash. I love this season. This and my season I love, but mine's is not out, so I'm not going to talk about it yet because it's not out. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit on that. Skillet nice and hot for these scallops. I want to add a little seasoning on here. Add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Get that pan nice and hot. This is the way I want these scallops. Nice and seared. Now we're flipping these. These are completely done. I'm going to be taking these off. Now, we're putting a little oil, olive oil inside here. A little garlic. Add those shrimp in. Right, oh, just what I'm looking for. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to flip every last one of these. That is a good sear on my shrimp. These babies are done. I'm going to put them in this bowl here. And then guess what? We're going to add that wonderful sauce on them. That butter. Look at that wonderful butter sauce. I want all that inside here because that is. Heat that up just a little bit. Forget all that garlic and stuff's in there. Oops. And we're just going to spread the love all over. Okay, guys, these are those wonderful steaks that's been marinated. I got my garlic, got my pan over here smoking. I'm just going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Steaks, got my pan ready. There's your sear. You want to crowd my pan. It's just two steaks. Let's just let that sit and let that baby sear. Thyme. I want to put on these steaks. This is fresh thyme. A couple of rosemary sprigs I want in here. Look at that. Mm-mm. That's what I'm talking about. Got good seared steak. Tablespoon of butter that's going in there so we can get a good old sauce on these steaks. Oh yeah. Look at there. These beautiful steaks come out because I don't like overcooked steaks. I'm gonna turn this off, put this to the side. We'll clean it up later. Flipping my wonderful shrimp. In my shrimp, I'm gonna lay three wonderful, wonderful pieces of shrimp down after I flip them. Okay, my grilled seared scallops. 3 grilled scallops. Let's make that 4 grilled scallops. And then last but not least, my wonderful steak. And it's got garlic chips on my steak, which I love. You don't have to do that. And this is my surf and turf. So guys, this is my surf and turf at home with my seared steak, seared scallops, and seared shrimp with some green vegetables, which is broccoli and a wonderful light rice. I hope you like this dish and I hope you come back for plenty more because guess what? I didn't make this dish alone. You and me, we did this together. The best surf and turf ever at home. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.